Welcome to Ask Then Know, and today our question is: a computer is an electronic machine that takes input, processes it, and gives output. It works on a simple principle: input, process, output, storage. Example: when you type on a keyboard, input, the computer processes it, shows letters on the screen, output, and can even save them in memory, storage. A computer is made up of hardware, the physical parts like monitor, keyboard, CPU, and software, programs and apps that tell the computer what to do. Without software, hardware is just empty metal. Without hardware, software can't run. Computers can be small, like the one in your phone, or super large, like supercomputers used for space research. In short, a computer is basically a problem-solving machine that helps us work faster and smarter. So now, when someone asks, "What is a computer?" you have the simple answer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ask Then Know for more everyday questions answered in minutes.